Look your best. I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me.
Hey guys, it's Lydia here, and look what's behind me. I redecorated the top of my dresser for fall, and I thought I'd show you the process and how I did it all. This is a great option for if you want to do it like on a gallery wall or above your dresser like I'm doing. And I just show you like some tips on how to do this. I show you a few tips on how to make some DIY organization on top of your dresser. It's gonna be cute, it's gonna be fun, so I hope you enjoy this video. Let's dive in. So I'm starting out by taking some twine and hanging it on the wall so everything else can hang on it. And I would actually recommend gluing the pine cones on first and then hanging on the wall because they're so heavy and you have to hold them up there the whole time while they're drying. And I did have a problem with them falling off. So now take your pine cones or any other cone you have and glue them on to the twine with just some hot glue.
Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat.
And then just grab any leaves you have. I'm just using these ones I got outside, but you could even use fake ones, and then just glue them in between the pine cones.
So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side.
And then I just made a second string right underneath that and glued pine cones on there as well. So let's take a quick break from the wall art and talk about how to make these colored clothespins, which we're going to use later. So first I'm using these mini clothespins that I just had laying around. So then you're going to need some paint in fall colors. I'm just using some brown and red and orange and just all the fun fall colors for these clothespins. So then just take apart the clothespin. This is actually really simple and it makes the end product look so much better. And then just paint on the top of your clothespin, and if you want you can do the sides and bottom if you're really picky about that. And then just continue on with all your clothespins. And then the last step is to just put the clothespins back together. This can be a bit tricky, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually quite easy. So back to the wall art, I'm just taking those clothespins and hanging up some pictures of our family that I printed off, and then in between I'm adding more leaves. I really like the way this looks. It's really cute and cozy and totally works for fall. So I wanted to have some makeup organization on the top of our dresser, so I just took this old tea box and then I cut some paper that was kind of musical themed, and I just hot glued that on to the box. So the last thing to do, I wanted to have sections in here, that way it was easier to organize, so I just cut up this old cardboard and glued it in there so that way it would be a section, and I did that a couple times just so I would have a few sections. And then I just filled up the organizer with all our makeup. And that is it for my DIY wall art. I really love the look of it now. It's so cute and cozy and perfect for fall. And everything on this dresser I already had or thrifted, so it was totally affordable. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Tell me in the comments below what video you'd like to see next, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe below and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. And don't forget to share this with a friend who needs a remakeover for their dresser. Alright guys, bye. A remakeover? No, like a makeover. Unless they like want to remake over, you know. I meant makeover originally though.